this is Hans, a Swiss lathe manufacturer. I'm Sonia. Today, I'd like to share with you the great things about 6-axis machine. Allows completely drilling, milling, and contouring operation on the sub-spindle. Simultaneous machining, the main spindle and the sub-spindle can be operated independently of each other, allowing two different machining operations to be carried out in different positions on the same workpieces. The 2-axis offers great flexibility, allowing simultaneous machining of the main spindle and the sub-spindle, working in tandem for efficient machining of precision and complex workpieces.